Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your name on Gmail with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you want to update your name for a professional appearance or just prefer a different name, it's easy to do directly from your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. You'll need to access your profile settings, so tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. From there, select Manage your Google account. Now you'll see several options. Tap on Personal Info to access your account details. You'll notice a section labeled Basic Info. Here, tap on Name to proceed. You'll see your current name displayed. Next, tap the right arrow next to your name. This will allow you to make changes to your name. Go ahead and enter your preferred name. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap Save to update your information. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.